volume. I think it looks so pretty. It's giving like 90s blowout vibe. So I'm really loving it.
You can get it, you can get it. Know just what you want. Oh, alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with BeautyForever Hair Company. They sent me over this 24-inch fluffy, loose, curled wig in a look. As you guys seen, it was really easy. Just took it out of the box, already pre-curled, didn't have to do much. All I really did was add a little bit more layers to the hair so that the curls can fall a little bit better to my liking. And I cut the fringed bang a little bit shorter because honestly, I just think it was a little too long for me. But if you have a bigger head, that might be the perfect length. So I do think that it's just optional, whatever you like. I do prefer a shorter bang. I do prefer less hair in my face. So honestly guys, I feel like this came out perfect. It looks so cute. It is definitely a different look for me. So I'm gonna rock it for a couple days and get some really cute pictures. In purchasing this wig, I will go ahead and leave all the details as well as BeautyForever Hair Company's wig website down below in my description box. Thank you guys. Area, but the roller came out. It also did come pre-styled, like I said, so it came with these really pretty soft loose curls, and the inside construction of the lace is 13 by 4. They also added the tape on the side of the wig in case you don't want to install this wig with glue. You can go ahead and use the tape. And one thing so guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. First impression, guys, I love the texture of the hair. It feels amazing. What is for a longer install? So yeah, guys, I went ahead and tacked down the lace with the tapes. And later on in the video, I am going to show you guys how the wig looked after I installed it. I ended up installing it the next morning. So you will see that at the end of the video. But right now, for the purpose of this video showing you guys the easiest way to install it, I'm just showing you guys how to use the tapes. So here you can see me just cutting the bangs if you are like me and you don't like a lot of hair in your face. So here you can see me just adding some extra layers in the hair. Curling some parts of the hair and trimming those bangs a little bit more. This is what the wig looks like so far. I think it looks great. Again, this is a 24-inch wig and I am 5'4", so this wig is pretty long on me. I do want my curls to have a little bit more volume, so I'm going in with my Tresemme volumizing spray and spraying that on my curls and just zhuzhing it up a little bit to give it a little bit more volume. And guys, this is the finished look. I think it looks so good. Another right out of the box wig, glueless wig that you can do at home. But before we finish up this video, guys, I do want to show you guys how this wig would look without installing it if you wanted to do a updo style. So I'm just going to take a handful of hair from both sides and push it up into like a ponytail. I've been seeing so many girlies on TikTok and Instagram wearing their hair like this with the really light fringed bangs and the ponytail. And then maybe you can add like a bow or something to the back. I think it is super cutesy, super cute. Definitely a style that I would rock. Going ahead and adding my ponytail holder onto it so you guys can get the full look of it. And yeah, guys, this look is so cute to me. Like, look at it. Like, it's so cute. It's like a baby doll look. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you prefer it down or if you like the updo style, the half up, half down look. Let me know in the comments. Guys, really fast, I just wanted to come back and show you, I actually ended up installing the wig last night, and I put some rollers in there, and I just wanted to show you guys how cute it came out. This is actually the finished look, and y'all, I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with the volume. I think it looks so pretty. It's giving like 90s blowout vibe. So I'm really loving it. I will probably flatten the bangs just a little bit more because like I said, I just took the rollers out, but I'm loving this messy curly look that it's giving. And I just wanted to come back and show you guys that before I get my day started, because I'm like, y'all, it looks a lot better. Like, it looked really cute last night. Like, it looked really cute last night, but I think installing it and making sure it's tacked down, and of course if the wind blows, it looks really good. So yes guys, I just wanted to come back and show you the finished look. The thumbnail will definitely be the look that you seen earlier in the video, but I am about to go out and get some content. So yes. Wait, let me actually put this on a tripod so y'all can really see it. I love the way this turned out. I love it. Y'all, I have on the same sweater that I always wear, but here we go. This is the finished look. So if you're gonna get this wig, I definitely suggest it. Y'all will see lots of pictures in this wig because it is giving me very much Farrah Fawcett, very much is that her real hair. I love it. All right guys, well let me go ahead and get my day started, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.